Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing a solution. If you want to select an object and highlight it in the outliner, then you can do so after watching this tutorial. So what we need to do is this functionality is not available natively in the Blender. I am using Blender 4.3.1 at this moment, and to achieve this effect, like whenever you select an object in the viewport, and it should be highlighted in here in the outliner, you need to run a custom script, which you can go to the scripting area and run here. So what you need to do is, when you will go there, you will see option interface like this one. So click on the new and paste the script here and hit run. When you will do this, after hitting the run, if it is successfully run, like here on my side it has been run successfully. So now you can go to the viewport and select one object, whatever you like, and it will be highlighted here in the outliner area. Thank you very much.